Welcome everyone to Media Day for Sirens Curse here at Cedar Point in Sandusky, Ohio. This coaster was built by Vekoma. It's 160 feet tall, 58 miles per hour, and the tilt is a 90-degree drop. It has 2 barrel rolls and several amazing lift times with airlift. It's just the little bunny hops, they get you, they're great. I love them. So this ride also features onboard audio, which is quite unique. It's the first ride here at Cedar Point to feature not only onboard audio, but also a lighting package on the Trine cars, which I'll show you later today. I'm very excited. I'll be coming back again tonight to do more filming and photos. It's just such a photogenic coaster. It's so pretty, and especially when they're just like brand spanking new. So Sirens Curse takes its name and theme, which is tied to the park's presence here on Lake Erie in Sandusky, Ohio. Is making reference to Greek mythology, where sirens, who were female beings, sent sailors to their demise via songs. And when you are at the top of the lift hill, it will sing to you and lure you to your doom, as they say. A lot of people don't think they have done a tilt coaster. If you have been to Universal Orlando, you have if you have ridden Gringotts. Escape from Gringotts is very similar. It does have a tilt aspect to it. It's in the dark, so you cannot see it, but it's that first drop. When you're in the dark and they open up a tunnel in front of you and your car tilts, that's a tilt coaster. It's much smaller scale, of course, but it is one. So if you've ridden Gringotts, you've actually done a tilt coaster before. This is just like on a much bigger scale and much more scary. So there's a 48 minimum height requirement for this ride. There's also a 80-inch maximum, which is about 6'6", which probably has to do with the harnesses. They are over the shoulder, but they stop just below around your chin. So you're not banging your ears on it, which is great. It's smooth anyways, so it's not a headbanger at all. Not even close. So there are no loose articles allowed on this ride. Glasses must be secured with a strap. And you do have to go through a metal detector, so they will find anything that you got on you. So just put it in the locker. They are small lockers, so if you have a backpack, you're gonna want to rent one before you get in line. I love it. Welcome back, everybody. We are riding. This is the most incredible experience. I will not lie, I have ridden it. I've ridden in the 7th row and 8th row, so this is the 2nd row that I'm being filmed on, and we'll see what the experience is like. I'm very excited. Everybody is saying that the back row is the best row, so maybe I'll try that again later. But holy crap. The first time I rode this, I was like hyperventilating as I got to the top of the lift hill, so I'll try not to do that this time. There is on-screen audio in your headrest, and it is amazing. It makes it super spooky, so spooky, but it's so good. You know, the whole theme is that the siren is coming from Lake Erie and has come to curse you, and it's after you, and it's luring you over the edge. And oh my God, the views from up here are crazy. You can see the entire lake, the whole park. Breeze feels great. Oh man. So you do stop at the top of the lift hill momentarily. The back brakes lock the car into place, and the track is going to detach completely. And then we're going to tilt 90 degrees, and tilt down, and here we go. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. Oh, oh God, this is terrifying actually. Oh God, you feel like you're gonna fall. It's gonna hang you here, and then it's gonna let you go. There we go. Woo! Your first airtime right here. Down the curve, and our first barrel roll. Woo! Oh man, the airtime. So good. Woo! More right at the end there. Oh, it's a fantastic ride. Woo! Absolutely stupendous. Fantastic ride. This is the first time I have been to Cedar Park. This is the first ride I've ridden at Cedar Park. I broke it in an amazing way. Thank you so much to the Cedar Fair Company and Tony Clark and the whole Dave, the construction, and the whole crew here for building a fantastic ride. So we do have the new gift shop here for Siren's Curse called Boat Repair. And it is chock full of Siren's Curse merchandise. This is awesome. So hoodie. This is what it looks like. That's an adult shirt, yep. Another hoodie. We got some lounge pants. This art print is just fantastic. I'm gonna be getting me one of these for sure. It looks like the same kind of artwork as Wrath of Rakshasa. Very cool. Wow, there's so much more merch here. Nice ladies tank. Really like the color of this hoodie. The green is nice. Kind of like a seafoam green. Ooh, I love this crop shirt. That's nice. Yes. Oh, I love the shirt too. Temptation tilts into terror. There's a backpack, hat. You got some tumblers and a Stanley stand, kind of. Some kids shirts. Nice long sleeve tee. I think this is a rash guard, at least it's the same kind of material as a rash guard. Got some hats. And then here you have magnets, keychains, shot glasses, and regular glasses. Another hoodie. Nice two-tone shirt. Oh, I like this very neon set here. That's cool. I do like that. So there's 4 different shades of shirt for this option. Oh, cool. So they have ornaments here. Coasters. Another kid's shirt, I think. I do know this one comes in adult as well. Very cool. We got patches. Coffee mugs. I did buy this shirt already. Bought this yesterday when I arrived at the park. This is my first visit to Cedar Point too, y'all. It was amazing. I drove what turned out to be 8 hours from Madison, Wisconsin yesterday. I felt like half of that trip was stuck in downtown Chicago, as it does. More pins, more keychains, socks, a lanyard. Very cool tie-dye shirts. We have some banners you can hang up. Very cool. And all these stuffies. Oh my goodness. So cute. Oh my goodness. I love the angry octopus the most, I think. It's very good. That's very, very, very good. More mugs. So they do have a nano here. Miniature replica. Very cool. And then here's your fun picks. Awesome. Another set of ornaments and a very big frame. So, I've now done 4 rides on Siren's Curse. Can confirm the back rows, I do like them more. I do. Yeah, you can see, so in the back row you can see the coaster tilting, which is of course the whole gimmick of the ride. It's really cool. It's very different from a dive coaster. You know, the dive, it just kind of barely hangs you over the edge, and with Wrath of Rakshasa you have much more inversions and stuff, like, you know, 5 inversions and whatnot, and it's just different. It's a different feeling, whereas this one, when you know the fact that the track is detaching, that's the scare factor. Keep waiting for them to run it again. But yeah, it's a fantastic ride. It's very smooth, very, 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 very smooth, and the airtime is fantastic. Like they have so many little, you know, like bunny hills, and your butt goes out of your seat. It's fantastic. I absolutely love it. Yeah, this is a great addition to the park. I'm a little biased because it's the only ride I've ridden at the park so far. It's my first day. Also, I'm so sorry for saying Cedar Park instead of Cedar Point. I'm a terrible person. I'm a little dyslexic, and so things get jumbled around in my head a little bit, so I apologize for that. But just riding this thing is so much fun, and everyone's gonna love it. It opens on June 28th, this Saturday, so it's Thursday right now. Tomorrow is pass holder preview from 2 p.m. to 10 p.m. There goes the drone, that means it's gonna run. And yeah, and then opening day is on Saturday in 2 days. And then everybody can ride it, and you should, because it's amazing. It's so good.